guys, I hope all is well. My name is Akaya. I do hair and I also do all kind of different things, creative things, DIY things, and all that good stuff. But today I'll be coming to you guys with a excellent hair oil that I love to be able to use. If you are having a dry scalp or you just want you a good oil, how about you try this? Try this avocado oil. When I say I love 100% avocado oil, and I'll be using peppermint oil. When I say the peppermint oil smells so good, it opened up the pores and everything. What I like to do, I'm gonna show you guys how I like to do it. Just go ahead and just get it open. And I love to put it inside of a oil bottle like this. I get this from Sally's. It's all in what you have, and it makes it so much easier to go on. So again, I just go ahead and just pour this in. I like to fill it kind of almost to the top, but not to the very top. And then I go ahead and open my peppermint essential oil. And I like to use the brand Now. I love this peppermint essential oil. And I'll put it in the comments so you'll have it also. So I drop probably about a good seven drops in there. And I like to always, anytime you use an essential oil, always know that you have to carry it with the oil. You can never just use essential oil by itself because it's very strong. So again, I just probably give it about a good 7 drops. And the way that it drops slow. Okay. So then what I do, it smells so good already. I love the way peppermint smells. I'm telling you, just open up your pores, stimulate your scalp, and most definitely good hair growth. And rosemary is good with it too. And some um, uh, tea tree, mix it all together, and it smells so good. Or you can just do the peppermint on its own. Okay, guys, so now you have you a nice, beautiful moisturizing for your scalp as well as for your hair. And I actually have some little botanical things floating around in there also. So if you want to add you some little extra dry rosemary or different things like that, that is good also. But you can take it and do it just like this. Don't forget to subscribe for more. I'm always coming at you guys with all kind of new things. And when I say, guys, I love this, and your scalp will be nice and moisturized. And it smells so good. Okay, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Bye. And the good thing, guys, about this hair oil, it most definitely will stimulate your hair growth. Make sure you put it on your edges, put it all over your hair, and do a nice massage. Rosemary as well as peppermint oil has actually, I'm sorry, not rosemary. Peppermint oil has a menthol in it, and menthol stimulates hair growth and gets the follicles back just so much better. So I'm telling you guys, not only do it smell good, it also stimulate hair growth. So guys, use this. Let me know how you like it. Make sure it is 100% peppermint oil. That's why I told you I like that brand Now. Okay, and I know you'll like it. It smells so good.